What's up, y'all? Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. And company is getting a new update. Is a fighting update. So y'all, we're gonna be seeing that. I'm sorry if my game is a little laggy. I'm currently grinding on my Xbox. So yeah. And wait for it to get done installing. And they also added some new stuff. I'll show you the list. So you can also pause to do that. And yeah, let's get right into the update. Now I'm gonna look. When you're loading into Animal Company every time, it will always show palm trees or something else, because every time you load into the game, it shows a different something. It shows something else. Still, everything right here is still the same.
Sorry guys, I died because you stupid.
Okay, here. Yeah, it said we can also play. Gorilla, watch this. This is a ticking time bomb. Yo. Someone help. Bro. I'm screwed. This is a ticking time bomb. There's a bomb right there. I'm screwed. I was actually... Okay. That's what you know. Yeah, no new outfit, same thing. Have a new bundle as a snail long bundle. Huh. That's new. Yeah. Okay, bro, the grass is taking over, okay. They also updated this. So that is actually pretty cool. And y'all, I actually opened up a book bag where I had crates. This is why I have these. These are all full. You have this, finally a pink book bag. So the update looks cool. Let's try this one more time. Looks like this is just a time bomb. Is there a certain place where you need to do this? Oh god, that's a spider! Oh. Yeah, that's a new... I would call it definitely a game, but y'all probably want it, so make sure to like, subscribe, and see y'all next video.